Welcome to juliesapron.com. Grab your apron and let's make this tilapia with cream sauce. The tilapia in this dish is so flaky and soft, and the cream sauce on top adds so much flavor. To make this recipe, you will need 5 to 6 tilapia fillets, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Season the tilapia with salt and pepper, some lemon juice, and drizzle with olive oil. Rub that in and let it marinate while you prep the veggies. Peel your onion and dice finely. Using a vegetable peeler, peel off the skin off your carrots, then using a box grater, or you can dice finely with a knife. Cut off bell pepper stem and clean out the seeds inside. Rinse if necessary. Then using a sharp knife, dice finely. Heat a pan on medium heat and drizzle olive oil. Then fry the tilapia fillets until golden and crisp on the outside. Remove the tilapia fillets and into the same skillet add your diced vegetables. Once the diced vegetables are caramelized, move them to the side and add in the sautéed tilapia fillets, covering them with the vegetables. Once the sautéed tilapia is in the pan and covered with the vegetables, add 1 cup of heavy cream and let that come to a simmer. Season as necessary and to taste, and garnish with some chopped dill. Make sure you subscribe and follow juliesapron.com for more delicious recipes like this one.